You've been in the business quite some time with, with different manufacturers and so on. Over the last sort of 20 years or so, how do you think business has changed and what sort of effect has it had on you?
Well, I entered this business in 1980, so I've always entered when really there was a recession was just around the corner.
Right.
In many ways, I think recessions are the best thing that hit the industry because it sharpens up people's business skills. It makes every penny valuable on the site of a contractor.
Yeah.
So where fairly low cost materials weren't really interesting before, suddenly become very interesting. It makes you consider your own business, how you're running it, look at investment.
Yeah.
Certainly we set this business up in 2007, just as the recession was hitting. So you turn around and say, who would set up a construction-based business in a recession? But if you looked at the other way, our marketplace is not a impulse buy, it's a necessity.
Yeah.
We thought most of our competition were too many overheads. So if we invested strongly in testing, we spent nearly £250,000 on product testing, and then invested in good capital equipment, we may have a chance of making a marketplace.
That's an interesting way of looking at it, the fact that obviously a recession allows you to sharpen up on things.
Well, the way we structured our business, really, Graham, was we employ 30 people and 14 of them are involved in sales and marketing. So whereas most companies cut back on marketing,
yeah,
we've gone the 100% or 180% in the opposite direction.
Yeah.
And so we're lean manufacturing, but the emphasis on sales and marketing support.
And has it been a good year for you thus far?
It's been an exceptionally good year. We've had a very good year. We supply most of the major buying groups throughout the whole of the sector. We showed sales growth of 32% this year. So UK has been very good for us.
Wow.
Export France is a little bit iffy, even though it's good contracts, but the French government stopped spending money, so that's made life there a little bit more difficult.
I can understand that, yeah, because I mean, obviously the rest of Europe to some extent hasn't really caught up, has it?
No, they're not. No, they're going backwards still.
Yeah. Interesting. And for the future, what's your sort of plans, and how do you see that rolling out?
Our next big project is we're going to spend probably £500,000 on new widening equipment. We're going to go into the marketplace with very large diameter tanks, 3 metres to 4 metres. We're looking at attenuation for floodplains. So that is our next investment over the next 9 months.
Are you finding it easy to recruit? So where you've obviously developing the business, you need more people, and you find
recruitment is always a challenge, right? First of all, to get the right people.
Yeah.
To maintain the interest in your business with them people, you have to continually stimulate it and make it a bit more interesting.
Yeah.
We're very strongly involved in the team building spirit. But I think recruitment will be a challenge over the next 18 months.
And do you have like a process in place to develop those people, sort of training and?
Yeah, we have modular training. We also go outside for external training. Very often not just for our industry. We look at dissimilar industries, so people actually get a catalyst of seeing if they can bring some from a different marketplace into Marsh.
No, that's a good idea.
It does work,
so look at best practice across other industries.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thanks very much, Steve.
Thanks
for your time. Cheers.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.